In this video, I'll share 6 methods to get more credits in Base44 so you can keep building your apps. I'll also reveal a coupon code at the end that instantly gives you 10 free credits, so make sure you watch to the very end. The first method is signing up with a free plan. Click the first link in the description that takes you straight to the official Base44 website. Click Start Building and sign up with your account. Once you complete sign up, you'll receive 25 credits absolutely free. These credits let you access all of Base44's core features at no cost, so you can explore what it can do. The best part? These 25 message credits renew monthly, and you also get 100 integration credits per month. The second method is sharing Base44 with your friends. On your Base44 dashboard, look at the top right and click the gift icon. You'll see Invite Friends and Earn Credits. Copy your unique referral link and share it with friends. When they sign up to Base44, they get 10 credits, and you earn 10 credits once they publish their first app. There's a cap of 5 friends maximum, meaning you can earn up to 50 credits through referrals. The third method involves sharing your project on social media. Scroll down on your dashboard and open any recent project or web app you've created. Once your project is open, click the drop-down menu in the left corner and select Win Free Credits. You'll see instructions on how to win 20 credits by sharing your project. Here are the guidelines you need to follow. Tag Base44 on social media and write at least 200 characters about your experience building with Base44. Your account must have at least 100 followers to ensure it's a valid social media account. You can optionally add a screenshot or video of your project and include a link to it. Once you've posted on LinkedIn or Twitter, open a ticket in the support system with the link to your post. To open the support system, click the button that takes you to the Help and Support window. Click Open Support Ticket, select the category Social Posts Bonus Credits, and write your subject line and description about your post. Attach everything required and submit the ticket. Once the team verifies your social media post, you'll receive 20 credits. The fourth method is creating an integration. Go to your homepage and click on Integrations at the top. Select My Integrations, then click Create Integration. If you create a public integration that gets approved by the team, you'll be rewarded with 250 credits to your account. This is a substantial amount and worth the effort if you have the technical skills to build an integration. The fifth method is through paid pricing plans. Click on Workspace and navigate to the billing section to see the pricing plans. Base44 offers 4 plans. The starter plan costs $16 per month and provides 100 monthly credits plus 2,000 integration credits. The builder plan is $40 per month with 250 monthly credits and 10,000 integration credits. The Pro plan costs $80 per month, giving you 500 monthly credits and 20,000 integration credits. The Elite plan is $160 per month with 1,200 credits and 50,000 integration credits. With the Elite plan, you can even customize the number of credits you need and pricing adjusts accordingly. Also, these are all yearly plans and quite generous. You can select any of these to check the price of monthly plans. This is a great way to top up your credits without having to solely rely on free credits and explore Base44 without limitations. Now for the sixth and final method that instantly gives you 10 free credits. Go to your pricing page and scroll down until you see a small option that says Have a Coupon Code. Click on it and enter the code Kevin10, then click Apply. You'll see a success message saying 10 credits have been added to your account. This is the fastest way to add credits without doing anything else. This code is available only for a limited time, so use it now. Those are all the free and paid methods to get more credits inside Base44. If you haven't signed up yet, use the link in the description to get your 25 free credits and start building apps right now. If you want to know how to get more credits on Lovable AI, which is another vibe coding tool similar to Base44, click on the video appearing on your screen. Thanks for watching.